up, beautiful people? Welcome to the channel that is empowering you with the knowledge to help you build generational wealth. My name is Mia, and I reveal the financial education that we do not learn in high school. You know what? I don't really know what high school you went to. I just know that I don't remember any of the schools I attended teaching me how to save money. We learned how to count it. We learned how to identify it. They even taught us how to spend it. But nope, nobody ever showed us how to save money. So I have taken it upon myself to share with you 3 quick tips to help you reach your 2022 savings goals. Let's do it. The first thing that you want to do is separate your savings. The money you set aside for emergencies or other wants and needs should not be mixed in with your everyday expenses, the money that you pay your bills with. What'll happen is, as long as you see it and it's easily accessible, you are going to spend it. I don't care how strong your willpower is, it's a fact. So the first thing that you should do is open a separate account for your savings. Have a checking account for your bills and everyday expenses and a savings account for all else. Know the difference between an emergency fund and a sinking fund. These are both types of savings, but they have completely different purposes. The emergency fund is exactly that. It's for emergencies. And I recommend that you have 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in your emergency fund, but that can vary based on your employment circumstances. You never know what can happen. The last couple of years have shown us that, but if you have a lower likelihood of losing your job, or you know that if you lose your job, you have some marketable skills and you'll pick up a new job fairly quickly, then you may be able to get away with just 3 months worth of expenses. If you have a side hustle or a job on the side that you want to at some point become your main source of income, then I recommend that you have at least a year's worth of expenses before you quit your job to pursue your business goals. And always have enough in your emergency fund to cover any type of insurance deductibles. Your emergency fund should always be stocked, but your sinking fund will come and go because it serves a specific purpose. If you want to go on vacation or save for a down payment or splurge on a luxury item, then that is what your sinking fund is for. Pro tip, you should always have a sinking fund for Christmas. It's the same time every year. Might be a different day, but the date remains the same, December 25th. You can't miss it. They count on us waiting until the last minute to hop on those Black Friday sales and Cyber Monday deals, but there are super savings all throughout the year. And if you have that Christmas fund ready, then you might actually wind up with some left over to treat yourself, okay? Now again, I recommend that you host your emergency fund and your sinking fund in separate accounts. If you put them together and then you go on vacation, what do you think is going to happen? Pay yourself first. If you want to guarantee that you reach your savings goal, then save first. I can't tell you how many times I hear people say, I'm going to pay bills and get groceries and get gas, and then I'll save what's left. And then nothing is ever left. So no, save first. Determine how much you want to save every month or every paycheck, then set that aside first, then go pay your bills and all of your everyday expenses. Now, let's talk about taxes. I know it can be annoying to have somebody tell you what to do with your money, especially if you've gone without it for a while and now you finally got a little something, something. And now these woke gurus are trying to tell you what to do with your money. Well, I'm not woke. I like to sleep. And I'm not a guru, and I don't want to tell you what to do with your money. I just like to make a few heavily recommended suggestions. And I would suggest that you definitely pay yourself first in this season. The cost of living right now is stupid and prices are not going down. So the best thing you can do is save first. Got your taxes? Go ahead and catch up on bills. Go ahead and start that emergency fund. Go ahead and start saving for Christmas. Avoid the stress of tomorrow by making wiser financial decisions today, and then have a little fun with the rest. But that's it for this video. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share these tips. Until the next time.